what I like about trading. Every day, you need to start from scratch. No one cares what happened yesterday. So let's start from scratch. Can you see my screen, guys? Yes, okay. Okay, so FSLY, after stopped me out yesterday, made a nice move after all, and now it's over 100, touched the 105 pre-market because Oppenheimer just upgrades FSLY and announced 125 price target. And beautiful daily chart, beautiful 50 MA support in Fastly. Now let's take a look on this beautiful line. So maybe FSLY will close the gap from a few months ago when it touched 137.6. Huge gap down, moved down, extended stocks, if you remember. We traded FSLY a few times when it was down. And now we are heading to the next target, 1010, after a very strong and nice support on the 50 MA. So my first candidate for today will be FSLY after upgrade to 125. Now let's move to my second big candidate, Fubo. Fubo TV. Fubo TV, when I started my pre-market recap, it was up 5%, 2%, and then it pops to 7% because, yes, Fubo just announced another price target of 40. Barrington Research just gave them price target of 40, and we have, I think, like 40% of short sellers in Fubo. Again, beautiful support on the 50 EMA. This is the only indicator that I'm using on daily chart. You can see the 200 SMA, the 50 EMA moved down sharply. Then we traded it for extended strategy, and a few days ago jumped from this 50 EMA, and you can see the volume. You can see the volume when the stock moving up, and you can see the volume decline when the stock moving down. So who is more interested in this stock? The buyers or the sellers? We can see one strong big candle, one big green candle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles just to go back to the same spot. That means that we have a strong buyers in this one because the buyers just bounced in one day what the seller took 5. So we need to follow Fubo today. Also a little bit extended. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe today will be the green day, the reversal day on Fubo. And again, like yesterday, the Bitcoin is down 7%. That's why we need to follow all the Bitcoin stocks like Mara. I know so many people that bought into the dip when it was 19 and 20 and 22. And now MARA is 16. So it's not always good to buy into the dip when the stock is down sharply to buy. We have Riot, moved down almost 50%, from 30 to 20. That's a strong, sharp, steep drop. And we have SQ, right? MSTR, maybe. What else? Riot, Mara, MSTR, BTBT. I think that's it with the Bitcoin stocks, right? Yeah, BTBT. Ahmed, thank you. Now it looks like a nice reversal on the daily chart. But we need to follow all the Bitcoin stocks for today. Maybe they will continue to fall. So for big movers for today, guys, is FSLY, Fubo, and the Bitcoin stocks. Now let's go to momentum stocks. Netflix from yesterday touched all-time high. And the next target, you can see that the high of Netflix is 593. And you know what I say about round numbers. After the stock touched 593, well, the 600 is the next target for this monster Netflix. Huge volume yesterday, strong move to the upside, and we need to follow it for today for momentum stocks. So we have Netflix, we have YQ, and if some of you guys were in my IPO swing webinar last week, that's a nice example. Our stock can move 50% a day. Yesterday, YQ moved from 12, almost touched the 20 in one day. And you can see the volume. We need to follow it for continuation candle today. Now it's with a gap down, but nothing interesting. So another momentum stock will be YQ, and the last momentum stock will be API. In API, we have, I think, more than 25% of short sellers in it. And you can see the volume yesterday in API. And the next target of API will be probably this 50. Okay, you can see that the stock flirted with this 50 and then touched again 48, 48, moved down to 37 and bounced again yesterday 46, 42. So maybe today we're going to see momentum in API. So for momentum stocks, we have Netflix, YQ, and API. Let's move to extended stocks. So let's start with ZM. ZM, you can see it's downtrending since October. We have lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. You can see that the 50 EMA, you can see the lines, guys, in my screen sharing. Can you see the lines? Okay. Do you see the blue line and the black line? Nope. Okay, you see them. Okay. So you can see that the 50 was a strong support, but now the 50 is a resistance. That's why maybe we're going to see another drop down in ZM today. We have StiffX. If you remember a few weeks ago, we said what StiffX will do next, move under 54 or will jump. And StiffX jumped, extremely extended to the upside. We have RUN, solar stock that did not participate in all the solar hype of SunPower and ENPH, moved down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red days in a row. So maybe today one will bounce again. We have Billy, extremely extended. Although the green is red, yesterday Billy was with no change yesterday. So it's still extended in my opinion. And the last one will be GSX. GSX just moved a little bit above the 50, the 200 SMA, but jumped from 45 to 72 in 1 week. I think we're going to see it rolling down today. And let's finish with two of short squeeze stocks. Actually, we have AMD. Forgot to mention, and some of you wrote about it. AMD, again, 50 EMA, extended stocks to the downside. Well, next target for AMD will probably be the 100. Now let's talk about short squeeze. First of all, FUV, 21% of short sellers. Next target will be this 1928, and then the next target will be 20. We talked about it when it touched this 17, and now maybe we're going to see it bouncing today. And CAR, crazy daily chart for CAR. In CAR, we have 17% of short sellers. That means that almost everyone that shorted CAR for the last year, since March, are losing money, and the high was 41.98. So maybe today it will bounce above it. And I think that's it. We have 3 IPOs today, DFH, MYTE, and RLX. And that was my pre-market session for today. Guys, thank you. And let's hope for a green day today. After 2 red days in a row in my account. So let's hope today will be better. And that's it. Good luck, traders.
It's Scott. Welcome to the Tradenet Trading Room. Welcome to a beautiful Thursday. We are looking in on the weekend already. We were ready to tackle this day. Coming off of a losing day yesterday for myself, so I had Good day on Tuesday. Remember, Monday was a holiday. Good day on Tuesday. Losing day yesterday, but not by much, like $588 yesterday. And here we go into a Thursday, trying to make that up today and more. Get us green on the week. I'm already green on the week, but just want to be have a nice cushion going into Friday of this week, and looking forward to doing that. Well, we've got a lot of information to cover this morning in a short time, and as we embark on this Thursday, we've got a brand new president here in the United States of America that was sworn in yesterday, and the market seems to be fairly stable as of right now in the pre-market, so we'll see how that goes today as we open things up for this Thursday session. Well, if you joined me yesterday, you were with us yesterday to see that the market finished at all-time highs. Market continued to rise higher and higher and higher and higher. A lot of the stocks out there doing that, Microsoft and Apple included. Today, a little bit of a different story as we cool off a little bit going into Thursday, and we'll have to see if that lasts today. Remember, traders, we're going to have 3 sessions today. This morning session that you're in right now, going till 11:30, then we have a lunch session, and then we have an afternoon session that goes all the way till the closing bell at 4 o'clock. I'll be with you all day today. I'm looking forward to doing that, and Michael will be taking over for lunch today. We've got Meir coming in at lunch and at our mentoring session. Mentoring today at 3:15, taking about 45 minutes up until 4 o'clock. So you want to enjoy that today with Meir Barak. He'll be leading that session today. Special welcome to everybody on social media this morning on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and StockTwits. Which one did I forget? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, StockTwits, and great to have everybody here. So good to have everybody here on the social media platforms. We're thankful that you join us each and every day. Thousands of people come in and join us each and every day. And we love to grow the channel. We love to provide you more, which we're doing. We've got 3 great new classes coming up. We're going to talk about that and more come next week, Monday. We'll get everybody introduced into that and let you know how that's going to work. Well, what a difference a day makes as we get into the day today. I'm going to tell you a little bit about where we stand and where we're going today. We start off with Asia, where we saw 2 of the 3 markets up in the overnight session. The Nikkei up 233.60, up 0.82%. Shanghai and China up 38.17, up 1.07% higher in Shanghai. And the Hong Kong Hang Seng up 34.7, or down 34.71, down 0.12%. Europe, which is still in session right now, German DAX up 14.57, up 0.10%. FTSE in the UK up 3.78 points, up 0.06. And the CAC 40 in Paris down 20.72. You combine that, and that's down 0.37%. You combine that with Asia, you've got 4 markets up, 2 markets down, moving our focus to the upside of this market, and that it is. Dow futures really flat. They're down 1 point right now. S&P futures up 2.50 points, up 0.07%, and NASDAQ futures up 33 points, up 0.25. So we're going to be very flat, and what that means is you got to be very careful as we enter the day today. Joe Biden is the president. He's signed 10 executive orders as he just gets in for the first time here. Jobless claims showing a real modest decline as Congress works on more stimulus to get out to the people here. GM, General Motors, up 37%. They're up higher, up more in a percentage than what Tesla is so far this year. So that's a big thing. And Dow today to set hopefully another record onto Wednesday's record close. So we'll see that. Bitcoin selling off. But main thing right now today is going to be the presidency and getting in there and talking about the pandemic and getting those vaccines out to everybody. You've got oil down this morning, 33 cents, down 0.62%, and gold down $3.40, down 0.1822 to 1863.10 an ounce. All right, let's say good morning to everybody here in the room. Get that going, and then we will be ready to rock and roll today. I can't wait on a Thursday, get back into it here. I'm looking forward to it. Farzad, good morning to you. Good morning, Shota. Christoph, good morning to you. Yep, great to see you here this morning. Christoph, Marco, good morning. Ahmed, good morning to you. Good morning, Thanawat, and good morning, Anthony. Yep, absolutely. Romika, good morning. Yep. Tristan, good morning. And Keem, good morning to you. Tristan, good morning. And Alan, good morning to you. Andrew F., good morning. Dean, good morning. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Veya, good morning to you. Amir, good morning to you. Amir G. Dennis K., good morning or good afternoon. Christoph, good morning. And Altanu, good morning to you. Good morning, Vladislav. Yep. Joachim, good morning. First time here. Good. Looking forward to trading with you today. Take it easy. Go slow. Ranjit, good morning. Matthew, good morning to you. Collins, good morning. Have an awesome day. Vladislav, yep. Cindy, good morning to you. Motion, good morning, brother. Shane, good afternoon and good morning to you. Good morning, Andrew and Jens, good morning, and good morning to Patrick. Good morning to everybody on social media this morning, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and StockTwits. Let's talk a little bit about the stocks this morning. I do like this NEO trade under 57. Yesterday was not a great trading day for NEO. Started to come down after going higher. So we're going to put NEO down here at short under 57 points. Give that to everybody here. And then Fubo over 52. This is going to be a green trade. This will be a long Fubo, FUBO, and this is going to be a long over $32 this morning. Slow movers, don't expect a ton out of it, but maybe 20, 30 cents. And then UAL under $44 here this morning. Trouble in the airlines, not sure when they're going to come back, but again, we're looking forward to that when and if they do, which they will. And I'm looking forward to getting back on a plane and being able to travel. But this is going to be a short under $44 here this morning. Okay, that's UAL. Also watching quite a few other stocks this morning. Yogi had talked about YQ. I've got that up. Boeing, TSM this morning towards the downside. Watch TSM. We'll pull this one down here. This stock here, as you look at the daily chart of TSM, up and away, rejected at 137.50. And now we're going to see what happens here with this stock today. Does it pull back? Does it start to run forward? Really, really extended. We'll watch that today. Alcoa down on earnings this morning. PayPal up. KMI just steady this morning. Lots to choose from as we get into this Thursday session. Yep. Motion, good morning to you. Awesome. Omawao, good morning. And good morning, Tarek. And NEO, yes, NEO on the short side for sure. And then FUTU, I will do that. FUTU, yes, looking good to the downside. Yep, under 86. We'll watch that this morning as we get going. All right, Yogi was here this morning. Appreciate Yogi taking a part in this every day, 9:10 to 9:20. Gabe and Clifton are here, our Tradenet support team. In case you need any assistance throughout the day, they're here to help. Michael Orevi, my trading partner in the afternoon. Amir Barak, you're going to get a double dose at lunch today and then at 3:15 for mentoring. Danny Schwartz is in the house this morning. Gelia, handling our Russian trading room. Did you know, traders, we have a Russian trading room and a Spanish trading room that translate from English to Spanish and English to Russian each and every day. Aggie LaFleur is here. She's posted her trades. And my trading partner, our leader, Mr. Meir Barak, is going to join us shortly here. We're going to get this day started. He and I will be trading this morning session together, and I'm looking forward to doing that. Remember, 3 IPOs today, DFH, MYTERLX. So we've got our hands full. We've got a big day planned here, the opening trades, because you're guessing a lot on the direction of the market and the direction of the total day. Get started in 45 seconds. We'll transfer the charts over to Meir when he gets in, and then we should be ready to rock and roll today. I'm looking forward to trading like I am every day. This is the most incredible job in the world. Here comes Meir.
Traders.
There he is. I don't see the camera.
Hey, Scott.
Hey, Meir.
Hey, guys.
Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon to you.
Yeah.
I don't see your camera, but that could be just my feed this morning. Interesting. Yep. Try it one more time, maybe come right back on. Oh, you don't see him either, Shota? Okay, good. So it wasn't just me. 5 seconds to go. Traders, here we go. Let's have an awesome day today. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Yeah, KMI not a big mover here this morning. PayPal. Boeing dipping down. TSM big pull down. I'm going to wait and watch this market open here this morning. Yeah, see if NEO gets at 57.50. We can start to short it here. Okay, again, market direction very flat right now. Pulling back just a little bit here this morning. Did not see Tesla this morning. We'll pull back on Tesla. FU2, FUTU. It'd be interesting over 90 perhaps if the market does turn. We will see this FUTU maybe go higher as well.
For some of them.
That's okay. We know what you look like. Here come the charts. $56.60 on NIO.
Watch Mara for
Wow,
short.
Fubo.
Mara under 1650.
$0.06 to go, 3 cents to go on
Watch
NIO.
Riot for short. Under 1910.
Traders FUTU. Nice opening trade on NIO. Those of you that took it with me, posted in the pre-market. FUTU above 90. I will take this one long.
FCL traders under.
Watch the, there we go.
The 15.
I'm long FUTU.
Short Mara too.
See if we get paid on this one. Good trade on long.
Shorts riding.
Target 91.50 on FUTU. 91.50 FUTU. PayPal getting crushed today too. Tesla pulling back big time. There's 100 more shares out of NIO. 100 more shares out of NIO. 200 shares left on NIO.
Volkswagen 60 good.
Come on.
Good. For now.
No, I wouldn't trust this TSM down here.
No partial. No partials anywhere. Everything's moving. Actually, everything's moving really good.
Really looking good.
Over 1840, I'll take my Riot partial. Mara's doing good. Taking my partial in Mara right now. Taking my partial in Riot right here. Took partials in both.
$88 on FUTU.
Now I've got edit. And I've got FCL without a partial. Edit will be
FUTU struggling at 90 here. Still sticking with this trade, FUTU. Need 91.50 or so out of it.
FCL. Riot still
Tesla not looking good at all.
edits look reduce some more in Mara. Edits looking much better. FCL unknown. Reduce some more in Mara. Covered some more. Next one, edit. If it moves under the lows, I won't see it under the lows. Just moved under the lows.
$88 will be my stop loss, FUTU.
It's going, edit. Good. We're still riding. And we're going 1.5 point.
Hey, NEO, we don't have to do anything on the NEO trade. It's doing it all for us, now down to 56. We'll let 100 shares go here at 56.20. Just 100 shares left now.
Oh, edit.
And FUTU killing it for us here.
2 points, no partial in edit.
91.50 target, FUTU.
Any move over 67, I'll take my partial.
Stopped out from FSLY.
And going.
There's the out on FUTU. 3/4 of the trade out on FUTU. 91.50 target. Beautiful, beautiful move. $1.50 on FUTU this morning, starting off very green. So tempted at Tesla for the short here. I know Meir's in Tesla. Looking really good.
Getting close to the 3-point mark. We are at the 3.66. I'll take my partial going. How much fun. If it moves over 65.60, I'll take my partial. And going.
Wow. Beautiful. Look at the market. Market at a low right now.
Now. Took my partial.
That one worked out nicely.
Trades FC.
$244.20 on the long side. The 244 stop loss, PYPL. 244.20. Long the stock. Looking for almost 246. We'll see here. Looking for over a point on PayPal, PYPL. Okay, NEO, last 100 shares, 56.50.
It's the first time. Scott, it's the first time. Four
Yeah.
open trades without a partial. Now just one is left, but just couldn't move my eyes.
That's a good thing. SPY now, market down a little bit now. Meir, we opened up flat this morning, so very flat opening with the futures, biased to the upside just a little bit. Now we're starting to roll back over.
The only, but
Still holding on to PayPal. Let me give it a little bit more room here, PYPL. I'll give it 243.50. Should bounce right here at 244. And it is. 244.26 was yesterday's close.
I'm told I'm not being heard.
I can
Well,
hear you perfect. We just can't see you, but that's fine. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah.
they're saying they can't hear me well. Okay, stop in FCEL is going to be over 1620.
Thanks, Joel. That's funny. Okay, traders, I'm out of the NEO trade. The only thing I'm holding on to right now is PayPal, PYPL. Very tempted to short Tesla again. I know Amir's got his short on there.
I'm out of
And here comes our PayPal again. Watch it, 245, 245.80, 245.70, right around in there. Take a look at Xeon. They've pulled down with the market pulling back. Up. PayPal pulling up. Need PayPal again, 245.70-ish. FUTU, if you're still in the FUTU trade, I just have 200 shares left.
It's beautiful. Daily chart, too late, and I stopped out in FSLI. which now dropped.
Guys, remember 3 IPOs today. Hopefully it'll be a great IPO day.
The S&P came now, and the market is Scott, I'll take a minute out of the room, checking my video camera here.
Okay, do so, Meir. Fubo, wow. Yeah, PayPal just sitting there, really. Now, believe it or not, I'm looking for a short. Tesla, yeah. Traders, FUTU, 100 more shares out, FUTU, 100 to go. Okay, that's been a great trade there, FUTU. Perhaps NEO, under 56.60. Not a big mover. Tesla looking to close out the low here.
Guys, just took my first target in AMD, took a big share size, so that's a nice trade after I added. And now is approach NEO, but took a very place my stop loss in AMD because I added above 80 to 89. I was crashed at the opening like this, so I'll wait. Let's be honest. Meir was so on set.
Oh, you were were you long? Yeah, camera looks great.
Of them, it stops moving low because it just moved to a new low. How's your weather like, Scott?
Today should be the
Still
last
cold.
cold day, which is going to be fine. Then we'll be in the 70s tomorrow. I woke up to about 50 degrees outside. So I won't have these hoodies on, sweatshirts and all that. Roll out my Tradenet t-shirts.
Still sunny. 16 Celsius, I don't know how much that's in Fahrenheit.
Why?
It was rain. I mean,
On the PayPal trade,
getting to the 5 point, which is great, of course. Never know.
well, Tesla has to make a decision here. Losif, I don't know. I mean, it's got to get, if it gets under that 844 or
I moved out of FCL once it moved to the 50-cent loser for me. Scott, how about we restart YouTube? I think there's lots of people
I'm going to do that right now.
Okay. We would love you to join back in.